The reason why a lot of people like Snapchat is the messages erase after one viewing. But something like this, maybe you open up a message and you read it, meet me at 6. But for whatever reason, you don't have time to immediately respond. So you back out. So we backed out. Okay, we'll close it down. But later on, we want to go back to Snapchat and see that message. So we come back in here and, oh, well, now that message is gone. Then we hop back into Snapchat later on to see our new message, and we see, does that work for you? Well, now I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. So we'll hop into Snapchat on this phone here, and we'll resend the message that we're going to have to resend to our recipient because they forgot what we were talking about. So we'll say, meet me at, and we'll say 6. Then we'll go ahead and send that. Then we'll say, I'm a naughty girl. Okay, for whatever reason. And we'll send that. And then for good measure, let's go ahead and send a GIF here as well. There we go. Any random GIF will work. Awesome. Close that down. Now, a little known feature of Snapchat is that you can actually save messages. So let's hop back into Snapchat here. And we'll see that we have new messages here. Awesome. Great. Meet me at 6. I'm a naughty girl, and we have a GIF. Now, I know I can't respond right now, so I should save this message so I don't look stupid later on. Nothing worse than looking stupid with a new chick, right? So, or whatever you're talking to. We can save messages a couple ways here in Snapchat. We can tap and hold on whatever message we want. Just tap and hold, and you can see save in chat. So I can save in chat. Now you can see we have a gray outline there, and our blue bar, in this case, the blue bar is thicker. Now I actually don't want that message saved. Don't need that. Tap again, tap and hold again, unsave in chat. I want this top one, meet me at 6, save in chat. Maybe I want this GIF too. There we go, save in chat. So we have our messages saved. Let's go ahead and back out now. We'll back out and we'll just close it down. We'll head back in to make sure that it did indeed save. Pop back in here. And what do you know? We still have our saved messages right there. Now you actually have another way that you can save messages here in Snapchat. It's a little bit quicker. Instead of tapping and holding, so I'll tap and hold here and we'll unsave that. So now if I close Snapchat, that message will disappear the next time I open up Snapchat. Let me also unsave this message here. I'll just tap and hold this time. Unsave in chat. Now the other way we can actually save, instead of tapping and holding, I could just click the right side of the screen. Now you can see that it says saved. I can tap it again. Now it says unsave. Tap here to make sure we save that message. Awesome. Now we can go and close Snapchat here. Boom, just a random one. Doesn't really matter. There you go. That's sent. We'll get that in just a second. Over here, head back into Snapchat. Go to our chats here. Go in here. So instead of tapping and holding and choosing save in chat here, you can just tap over here in the white area of the screen. Just tap that and you can see that it says saved right there. Same exact thing, a little bit quicker. Saved, unsaved, same for our message up here. Just tap over at the side. Saved, unsaved. A little bit quicker than actually tapping and holding. And here on our sender's phone, if we come to the chat, we'll head in here. We can see that those GIFs or those GIFs and any other messages, we can see they have been saved by our recipient. Okay, you can see it's in gray here and it's in gray right there as well. And you'll actually see that update in real time. And here we can see both phones are sender's phone and then the recipient's phone. And as you can see, the sender can actually see that we saved a message over here. So if I unsave that, you can see that the gray bar disappears over here on the sender's phone. If I save something that from the sender's phone, we can also see on the recipient's phone that it has been saved, and we can save it over here as well. And they'll know that over here. Even if I unsave it over here, we're still going to have the gray bar over here, letting us know that our recipient indeed saved a message. Okay, so that's how you can save messages really quick, just by tapping on the very edge of the screen or tapping and holding and saving in chat. And that lets the a person know, everyone will know actually, what exactly has been saved. So keep all that in mind, that everybody will know what you've saved. So that is how you can save messages in Snapchat, either by tapping and holding or tapping there towards the very edge of the screen. And again, keep in mind, everybody will know what you have saved.